Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2012 Lexus LS 460 maintenance light reset. Now we're going to be using this two button over here, the trip button and the reset button and the start button. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. First of all, you make sure you are at the trip A on this one. And to turn that to trip A, you go ahead and press the trip button and go find trip A, just like that. Now when you get to trip A, go ahead and turn off your car. Now excuse me, now press the reset button, press and hold it, and turn on your car without starting, and you should see the blinkers running right on top there, just like that. And that is it, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.